Welcome to the TripNavigo channel. Is Montuïri on Mallorca worth visiting? In this video, we'll answer exactly that question. Stay with us until the end. Montuïri is a small, picturesque town located in the very heart of Mallorca, far from the hustle and bustle of tourist hotspots. The settlement was founded during Muslim rule, but gained its current shape after the 13th century Reconquista, when King James I incorporated these lands into the Kingdom of Aragon. And now, let's take a look at Montuïri from above, quite literally. From the drone's perspective, you can clearly see how the town blends into the central Mallorcan landscape. Built on a hill and surrounded by fields, it resembles a classic Spanish pueblo. Peaceful, orderly, with a dense network of narrow streets and the dominant silhouette of the parish church. This view only confirms Montuïri is a great place for a moment of peace and to explore some of the island's lesser-known corners. The town today has around 3,000 residents and lies on a gentle hill that offers a beautiful view of the surroundings. Montuïri is known for its local cuisine, olive oil and wine production, and artisan traditions. This is where you can truly feel the spirit of authentic Mallorca. Subscribe to the TripNavigo channel for more travel inspiration, and be sure to visit our website, TripNavigo, where you'll find fun facts, travel guides, and our newsletter with discounts on trips. Narrow stone streets lead us through quiet, traditional buildings where time seems to slow down. Sandstone houses, wooden shutters, and flower pots, all of this creates the unique atmosphere of a Mediterranean village. As we slowly walk uphill, we approach one of the most iconic landmarks of Montuïri, its historic windmills. Once used for grinding grain, today they are a true symbol of the town. From their base, you'll find a stunning panorama of the town and its surroundings. Thanks for joining us on this stroll through Montuïri. It's one of those places on Mallorca that might not make the front pages of guidebooks, but it can enchant you with its peace, history, and the island's authentic charm. If you enjoyed this town, be sure to check out our other videos from Mallorca. We'll take you to Valldemossa, Soler, Formentor, and many other incredible corners of the island. Subscribe to the TripNavigo channel, visit our website, and if you want to stay up to date with new content, sign up for the newsletter. Travel tips and vacation discounts are waiting for you.